So if you lack of a space in your home office setup and just want to have something compact but comfy at the same time, and I can't stop swiveling because this thing is super smooth, so then this armless chair that this band sent to me for this video could be a really good solution for you. Not only it's comfy, as you can see right here, it's kind of like have a high density foam inside that compress and makes it to be cushion, so it gives like a really nice sitting position. Also it comes in multiple colors. This is kind of like the dark brown that I really like. It's like a dark coffee brown or something like that. But going back to the position, you can see that it gives like a really nice sitting position. It's not a super high back, I want to say, but it's high enough to support my weight, which by the way, this thing supports 265 pounds. So judging by the size, I want to say that probably that's quite a lot. I'm 5'10" and I weigh 180 pounds. So you can see that I'm 5'10" and I'm still sitting in a comfortable position to actually be working if I need and just be close to the computer and kind of like a really nice and tall position. That's what I'm trying to say, because this is fairly tall. You can see that if I do this, I'm not going to touch the floor. I'm not going to touch the floor with my feet. So that's actually something that you need to take into account, how tall this chair is, when it's kind of like the maximum height. But you can for sure do this and just a little bit down, or just down at all, and put it back in storage position. So again, if you lack of a space, this could be a really good thing to have. Also, the other thing that I want to tell you is about the assembly process. It takes, I'm not exaggerating, 6 minutes, 7 minutes top. That's it. It comes with everything you need for the installation. So don't worry about the assembly, super nice and easy. And the metal legs have a really nice support, and as you can see, swiveling. This is super smooth. I think again that if you lack of space, this could be a really good solution for you. 265 pounds, nice kind of like pew leather right here, and cushion as well. And also, as I was saying before, really nice for a storage position and lack of space purposes. I like it. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.